Hello there! Want to make cool, bass-boosted videos? Then let me show you. Go to musicvid.org and choose a template you like. Now you can customize it and add the song. Just do what I do. So find the music file. I also have a tutorial on my channel how to download any video and/or audio music. Also, remember to use song that is allowed for no copyright, and make sure, for God's sake, you have a license. Okay, now it just tells me it's long press, okay. Now you can change how it looks, scale it, change background photo, and even the circle's logo change. Also, a tutorial will very soon drop on my channel, if it haven't already, where I show you how to bass boost the song, so any song will have more bass. Now we are going to export it. Keep in mind this process can be long, and don't close the window. This is a preview. Content rated for PEGI 7300. Okay, so let's export now. Here you can change graphics and more. Sorry, bro, I was concentrating. Just click the big button saying export me, daddy. Bruh, okay, we gotta wait.
1 eternity later.
It's still not done, what, D-Heel?
2,000 years later.
It's finally done, woohoo! Now just upload it and here you go, enjoy.